Hello friend, in this tutorial we are going to discuss about update a data type on production server. Okay, let's create one data type, composite data type, that create type. Suppose the type name is status as enum, and inside this the hmm, suppose the queued queued state, waiting state. We have seen all this in compiler or in operating system book, that the process is in queued, or the process is in waiting, or the process is in running, or the done, something that is waiting, running, done. Okay, let's see. Create a type enum. Let's run the query. The query returns successfully. Here you can see that by using here you can see and use it in our okay status. Use it with our table. The table name is suppose create table job, or processes, or process. Okay, table name is process. So here we can create first id, or directly create a status column, so that suppose process status is one column. Process status is one column with data type status. Okay, let's create this table only with one column. Yes, table is created. Okay, we can see the table with select statement, process. Yes, that's it. Okay, let's here you can see that the data type is status. Okay, now if okay, let's insert a value. Insert into process, column name is process status. Insert into process status values. Sorry for this. Okay, let's insert a value, that queued one. Let's another one is waiting. Insert all values. Let's run the query. The query returns successfully. You can see the data. Okay, okay. Insert into process status values. Good. Okay, suppose let's insert a value dine. Is this value is going to insert now or not? Okay, let's see. Insert invalid value. Insert into process value process status values is suppose invalid value is done. Is it insert? No, it not only insert again. It gives an error because invalid status done. Okay, let's in this tutorial we are focusing on auditing the values on the server. Okay, let's change a value from okay, the query is update query update update process. We have to change the value that we want to remove the waiting value and change this all value into running state. How we can do this on production server? On production server that we want to update it with the help of update process set column name is process status set process status equal to running running where process where process status equal to waiting where process status is waiting that we want to convert it to running state. Okay, let's run the query. Yes, if I select the table and run it, here you can see that there is no waiting state. The waiting is replaced with running. But what if we insert again a waiting value in the in this, then a value is will be inserted. So for that, removing the waiting from the data type fully, that we need to do with like this. Suppose that change the alter table. The now the type is status. Okay, rename this alter table status. Rename this to rename to old status. Means this is the old status data type. Okay, okay, just run it. Oh, relation status does not exist. Alter type. If I run this, okay, the query returned successfully. Now if I refresh the table, then you can see that the table type is all status. Okay, let's see. Create new type. Here we have changed the we have created a new type status enum, and here no waiting value is there, queued running, and only three values are there, that we remove all the value from this. Now we want to change the data type of this column. Okay, let's see the table process. Okay, the table process has, okay, sorry. Okay, let's see the table process. The table process now contain all these value, but it has a data type old status that contain a this waiting value. If I insert a waiting value inside that, the value will be inserted, so that we need to change the data type to this data type status enum. Alter table, table name is process, alter table process, set alter table process, alter column name is, alter column is process status, process status, alter column process status. And the next is, what is the next, that we want to change the type, so that type to status in. So it also not going to work. Okay, let's see status in. Suppose I have changed the type to the status in. Let's see what is happening here. It gives us an error, syntax error at near column, alter column process type, type status. This is error occurring because we are changing the data type to enum data type. Sometime we need to use a using keyword, and followed by the column name process, using process status. The column name is process status, so that using process status, and a colon double time, and the text colon double time, and followed by the that we want to convert to that type status in. Status in. Here you can see that the column using keyword is used, and first pass the column name to it, colon and this sign and text, and again this sign to this data type using status. Okay, now let's run this query. It gonna work or not? Let's run up to enum. The query is not inserted, and the error is column process status cannot be cast automatically to type status enum. You might need to specify using process status colon status enum, so that it giving me an error and telling answer to or hint to. So that I am using, after using keyword, I have passed all these here, all these I have passed all these here to um, after the type enum, and not a text only. Let's see what is happening here. Only that's it. Okay, run this query. The query not written successfully, that we need to use here text type, and after that the colon. Now run the query. The query will be run. Yes, that's it. We have changed. Now if we here, sorry, if we try to insert a waiting value inside the table, then it will not gonna happen. That we have removed this waiting completely from the table, and only we can insert these two value, and the waiting value is replaced first with the running values. That's all about updating the enum data type on server. Thank you.